Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to create Duet videos on TikTok. Watch the video till the very end to learn how and subscribe to our channel. If you haven't yet, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. You can do it on TikTok easily as long as the person whose video you want to make a duet with has the feature enabled on their account. Tap Open TikTok application from your app drawer. After you reach to the home screen, select the TikTok video you want to duet with. To select a video, tap on the sharing button that looks like a little arrow pointing to the right, and at the bottom of the Share To menu, you'll see a duet option. Tap on Duet, wait for the video to process. If the duet button is grayed out, as you can see, that person has disabled duets on their account. Tap on the share button that looks like an arrow pointing out towards the right, and from the Share To menu at the bottom you can see the duet option. Simply tap on Duet and record your video as you normally do by tapping on the red circle right there. Simply record your video. After you are done, add effects if you want to, text and stickers, and tap on the next button to upload. Type in the description for your video. You can hashtag and add friends by tapping on @friends and selecting the person you want to tag, and that is pretty much it. Simply tap on the post button at the bottom right and your duet video will be posted on TikTok. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was at all, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll see you soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.